Learn these road signs and get ready for your driving test. Let's get started. Question 1. Which road sign is this? A. Winding road. B. Slippery when wet ahead. The answer is A. Winding road. Question 2. Identify this traffic sign. A. Pedestrians crossing. B. School zone. The answer is B. School zone. Question 3. Spot this road sign. A. No pedestrians crossing. B. End of a pedestrian zone. The answer is A. No pedestrians crossing. Question 4. Guess this traffic sign. A. No stopping. B. No parking. The answer is B. No parking. Question 5. What is this road sign? A. School bus stop ahead. B. School zone. The answer is A. School bus stop ahead. Question 6. Identify this road sign. A. Weight limit. B. Truck height limit. The answer is A. Weight limit. Question 7. Which traffic sign is this? A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing crossbuck. The answer is B. Railroad crossing crossbuck. Question 8. Spot this road sign. A. School speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit ahead. The answer is A. School speed limit ahead. Question 9. Guess this traffic sign. A. No equestrians. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. The answer is A. No equestrians. Question 10. Identify this road sign. A. National network route. B. Hazardous material route. The answer is B. Hazardous material route. Question 11. Which road sign is this? A. Do not drive on tracks. B. Do not pass stopped trains. The answer is A. Do not drive on tracks. Question 12. Spot the traffic sign here. A. Reverse turn left. B. Reverse turn right. The answer is B. Reverse turn right. Question 13. What is this traffic sign? A. No skaters. B. No snowmobile. The answer is A. No skaters. Question 14. Identify this traffic sign. A. Truck route sign. B. National network route. The answer is B. National network route. Question 15. Guess this traffic sign. A. Curve left. B. Left turn only. The answer is A. Curve left. Question 16. Spot this road sign. A. No parking. B. No parking between 8:30 to 5:30. The answer is B. No parking between 8:30 to 5:30. Question 17. What is this road sign? A. Reverse turn left. B. Reverse turn right. The answer is A. Reverse turn left. Question 18. Identify this traffic sign. A. Low ground clearance railroad crossing. B. No parking on tracks. The answer is B. No parking on tracks. Question 19. Guess this traffic sign. A. Turn right. B. Turn left. The answer is A. Turn right. Question 20. Which road sign is this? A. Chevron left. B. Chevron right. The answer is B. Chevron right. Question 21. Spot this road sign. A. No hitchhiking. B. No pedestrians crossing. The answer is A. No hitchhiking. Question 22. Identify this road sign. A. Roundabout. B. Roundabout circulation plaque. The answer is B. Roundabout circulation plaque. Question 23. Guess this traffic sign. A. Reverse curve right. B. Interior lane shift right. The answer is B. Interior lane shift right. Question 24. Spot the traffic sign here. A. Vehicles carrying explosives prohibited. B. Hazardous material prohibited. The answer is B. Hazardous material prohibited. Question 25. What is this road sign? A. Parking area. B. Parking fee station. The answer is B. Parking fee station. Question 26. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bus station. B. No parking bus stop. The answer is B. No parking bus stop. Question 27. Guess this traffic sign. A. No snowmobiles. B. No all-terrain vehicles. The answer is A. No snowmobiles. Question 28. Spot the road sign. A. Reverse curve left. B. Reverse curve right. The answer is B. Reverse curve right. Question 29. What is this road sign? A. Traffic signal photo enforced. B. Traffic light ahead. The answer is A. Traffic signal photo enforced. Question 30. Identify this traffic sign. A. No trucks. B. National network prohibited. The answer is B. National network prohibited. Question 31. Guess this traffic sign. A. No parking on pavement. B. No parking on verge. The answer is A. No parking on pavement. Question 32. Spot this road sign. A. Towed caravans prohibited. B. Tow-away zone. The answer is B. Tow-away zone. Question 33. What is this traffic sign? A. Curve right. B. Turn right. The answer is A. Curve right. Question 34. Identify this road sign. A. Curve left. B. Turn left. The answer is B. Turn left. Question 35. Which road sign is this? A. Triple lane, shift right. B. Lanes bend ahead. The answer is A. Triple lane, shift right. Question 36. Spot this traffic sign. A. No parking on bridge. B. No parking on pavement. The answer is A. No parking on bridge. Question 37. Guess this traffic sign. A. Double bend, first to the left. B. Reverse curve left. The answer is B. Reverse curve left. Question 38. Identify this road sign. A. No parking bus stop. B. No parking bike lane. The answer is B. No parking bike lane. Question 39. Spot this road sign. A. Divided highway crossing. B. Divided highway crossing T intersection. The answer is A. Divided highway crossing. Question 40. Which traffic sign is this? A. One way, left. B. Keep left. The answer is B. Keep left. If you want to pass your DMV test on the first try, tap one of the videos on this screen to keep learning and practicing more must-known US road signs. Hit subscribe for weekly quizzes, tips, and driving test prep. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.